Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your area Karol Bagh, which is filled with these coaching centers? Then definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in Karol Bagh. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Let's talk about the features of this institution first. The number 1 being online classes. Number 2, recorded videos with high quality. Number 3, current affairs. Number 4, experienced faculty. Number 5, mock test. And finally, they provide you 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about the contact number, email ID and the website of this institution, and then we'll talk about this institute. The email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com and their mobile number includes 8123002802. The website of this institute being www.plutusacademy.com. Now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path toward the success. The coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this competitive examination. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with a quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution, contact them. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Analog IAS Academy in Karol Bagh. Analog IAS, since its origin, has been coterminous with greatness in giving world-class level of training for all the 3 phases of civil services examination. Its key features include small batch size to provide specific attention to each and every aspirant. The faculty members are the experts in their own specific specialization. A supportive management system which provides 24/7 online technical support to all the candidates. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address being Metro Pillar number 80, building number 5, second floor, Pusa Road, near New Delhi, Karol Bagh, Delhi, 110005. The contact number being 01149785868. Now let us talk about the fee structure, which is a sum of rupees 1,05,000 for 9 months, and the batch size includes 30 students only for one batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Vision IAS Coaching in Karol Bagh. Vision IAS has consistently attempted to help applicants in preparing for all the civil services examinations levels in all structures possible. Alright, let's talk about the key features first. The test series of Vision IAS Academy is famous and is known as the hallmark of the Vision IAS Academy. Notes of this institutes are based on innovative assessment system to improve the students' scores. Interactive learning approach via mail and telephonic discussion with the experts are available in this institution. Alright, let's talk about the contact details. The address being 3rd and 4th floor IAPL House, 110005 19 Pusa Road, Block 8 WEA, Karol Bagh, New Delhi, Delhi 110005. The contact number being 08468022022. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,40,000 per year. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is ALS IAS Academy in Karol Bagh. This association invites understudies who are set up to interface their experience and grouped establishments with their best-in-class informative undertakings. The features includes, since the last 25 years, this institute has been providing coaching classes for the UPSC entrance examination. A vibrant and truly diverse community, as the faculty members at ALS are highly educated, experts and mostly ex-civil servants. The notes are well structured and fully fledged. The entire course is completed at the stipulated time. Moreover, it adds up to a winning combination tradition, formulated to promote creativity, critical thinking and effortless learning in this institution. The last feature being entire course completion at the stipulated time, and along with this, live interactive video lectures available for the candidates. The address being 20 near Karol Bagh Metro Station, opposite Metro Pillar number 97, New Delhi 110005. The contact number being 01128751379, and the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,47,000 per year. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, Karol Bagh. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.